Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw from an inherited Roth IRA correctly, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from an inherited Roth IRA correctly, start by determining your eligibility. Identify whether you are a spouse or a non-spouse beneficiary. If you are a spouse, you have the option to treat the inherited Roth IRA as your own. If you are a non-spouse beneficiary, the rules differ slightly. Gather all relevant paperwork related to the inherited Roth IRA. Contact the financial institution that holds the account. Request any necessary forms to initiate the withdrawal. Ensure that you understand the account's value and any accrued interest. Review the tax implications of your withdrawal. Withdrawals from an inherited Roth IRA are typically tax-free if the account has been open for at least 5 years. Complete the required withdrawal form accurately. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Submit the completed form according to the institution's guidelines. Keep a copy of all documents for your records. Monitor the account to confirm the withdrawal has been processed. If you have questions during the process, reach out to a financial advisor for assistance. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth withdrawal experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.